Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Knowledge 24. In the series of Python lecture, today we will discuss the topic conditional statements in Python. So we know that every program is composed of three types of programming statements or construct. The first one is sequential construct, then second is selection construct, and then third is the iterative construct. Using these type of construct, we can create or design any kind of program easily. So let's start with the sequential construct. In sequential construct, the program is executed sequentially, means one by one. Then we use second is the selection construct. So selection construct is also known as conditional statement or decision making statement. In the selection construct, the execution of statements depends upon the condition test. If the condition is true, then certain instructions will be executed, and if the condition is false, then certain instructions will be executed. For example, in real life, each and every task is executed by us depends on the condition or decision making. For example, wake up early in the morning or not, then want to go to school or office or not, then meet to someone or not, then go away from house or not, etc. So in the same manner, these real life examples will be implemented in programming logic through the conditional statement. Python provides basic three types of conditional statement. First is if condition, then second is if-else condition, then third is if-elif-else conditional statement. Let's start with the if condition. It tests the condition. If the condition is true, then some instructions will be executed, and it will does nothing when the condition is false. Let's see the syntax of the if condition. So this is if, then condition, then we use colon, and then in second line we use statement. Here we will not use any parenthesis, but Python use indentation for the statements. Then second is if-else statement. In this, if the condition is true, then certain instructions will be executed, and if the condition is false, then other certain instructions will be executed. So the syntax is this, like if, then condition, then colon, then in second line true statements, then next we use else, then colon, and then in next line we use statements when the condition is false. So this is the syntax of if-else statement. Now the third one is the if-elif-else statement. It is used when we have more than one condition statement. The syntax for this is if condition colon, then statement, then in next line elif, then condition colon, then its statements, then in last we use else and colon and the statement. So these are the basic conditional statement. Let's see the demonstration of all these three conditional statement using the program. Program for check whether the candidate is eligible for vote or not using the if statement. So we will write age equal to 20. Then we use if statement. In this we write age is greater than 18. Then it will print candidate is eligible for vote. And then we will execute this program. Then it will print the output as he is eligible for vote because the age is 18. Next program is for check the number is even or odd. Suppose the value of a is 7, then we check using the if-else statement. So in if condition we write a mod 2 equal to 0, then it will print the number is even. Else, and if we get non-zero value, it means the number is odd. So it will check in the else condition. After the execution of the program, the result will be number is odd because the value of a is 7. Now next program is for if-elif else, and in this we will find the division of the student according to the marks. So suppose we are taking marks equal to 86 and then we check if marks is greater than 60, then it will print first division. After that we use elif statement because we have multiple conditions. So in this we check if marks is greater than 50, it means it will print second division. And then we use else statement, and in this we will print false condition like fail. And after the execution of the program, it will print first division because marks equal to 86. Thank you.